Well, all right. Here we are. We are going to be working on our creature today. I'm not sure if we're going to finish or not. We'll see. So, again, to open this, I am pinching this top right here with my other fingers underneath. I am pushing the box through so it comes out like so. And then I'm going to open up the case, put it underneath. Put this on top of the box, and voila, I have my set again. Okay, so you should have your whole creature's face and neck done. Now you are going to color in the item that your creature is thinking about the most. So mine is a paint palette, so I'm gonna go ahead and color that in the way I want to color it. Okay, if you see, I cannot smush this. The stuff on it is too little to smush. So what I'm taking is a paper towel. Actually, our paper towels in school that are thinner will work a lot better. So right now I'm gonna fold this up like a pizza slice over and over again so that I get this point right here. And I'm gonna try to smush the lightest colors first, then slightly darker ones. And then I'm going to go into the brown and smush it around so that there is no bald spots, or that I have a minimum of bald spots, that not necessarily they're gone, but there's hardly any. If you have to get another paper towel and roll it back up, then you can do that. If you just want it to look really dreamy, you can just smush it all together, but it's gonna look kind of like a mess. But if you want that kind of look, then that's fine. It's art. Okay, so now I'm going to change the side of where I'm I'm gonna get this part, and I'm gonna get that black. That black is last because the black is the most strong color. Black's not really a color, but anyway. All right. So now I have my whatever is on my creature's mind is done. Now I can do the background. So the background needs to be done in colors that go with the rest of your picture. So I don't want you to just have like a rainbow and you just figure out, oh, this is the colors I like, so this is the colors I'm gonna do. I want you to actually look at the color wheel and see what is gonna go well with what I already have on here. So you have several options. You could go back to the eye color and you could do colors that are near your eye color. And that doesn't just have to be the brother and sister of that color. That could be colors all around here. So I could have oranges, greens, and yellows in my background. That would set off the eyes. It would also be complementary to the color of the cat. So that would work out really well. However, you could also go to either side of what your cat is. So if I had purple as my main color for my cat, I could go with blues over here, or I could go with reds over here. That would all go along with it. Even if I wanted to say, okay, I'm going to go with blues starting here and do blue greens, that would be fine. Or I could start over here and say reds. I'm going to do red oranges. That would be fine as well. So you have to figure out what is going to go well with your cat. So you are designing the wallpaper to go with the design you already have. So it's totally up to you what colors you want to use. Hopefully they will make a nice composition, which is how the overall look of your artwork is. So I don't want to pick colors for you because there's a lot of choices. There's a ton of choices. So you just go ahead and pick which choices you would like to go with. Once you are done, you are going to go back with a black. And you're going to go over all of your pencil marks. So black is last. I don't want you to go into the black right now because black is last. So you're going to go over all those pencil marks that you made the entire time. So these are some pencil marks. I'm going to go over the eyes. And I'm also going to go over all of the wallpaper, but make sure that you are done with doing the color part of the wallpaper before, can you see, before you go in with black. So if I did black first, like I'm going to show you what not to do. If I did black first like this, and then I decided, oh, I want the background to be kind of neutrals and yellows. So I'm going to go in here and do my neutral yellow. And then it doesn't turn out to be neutral yellow because it's mixing with the black. The black should always be last. Black is a really strong color. It's also going to mess up the pastel for the next person who wants to use that color. So if I go on another one that's clean, you can see how nice and clean that is. Let's say I did like a yellow on here. I'm not going to go near that black border. I'm going to try not to go near that black border. And then after that, you're going to smush, 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 smush. And then you go back in with the black. So you can see how clean that looks and how it pops, and you can see how muddy that looks. It gets all muddied by the black. So make sure you do black last, no matter what. Okay, I think this will be our last week for this project, but I'm not sure. We'll see how things go. Okay, good luck, guys.